Choosing your niche is very important in dropshipping. The success of your Facebook ads and conversion depends highly on it. I'm going to tell you about 5 profitable niches, which I think can start a 6-figure dropshipping business. The first niche to start with would be pet supplies. It's really high in demand right now with the ongoing situation, as more people are adopting pets. The products are easy to source. The cost prices are really low. And the profit margins are great. Facebook targeting also very easy to sell the products. A few winning products in this niche are dog bracelets, the food dispenser and the dog bed. The second niche I wanna talk about is the health niche. It's a high demand niche especially because of the current pandemic. Even without that, it's an evergreen niche. People are always going to take care of their health. And they don't mind spending a few extra bucks for these products. The most common example you all know is the massage gun and the waist trainers. Now, these 2 niches are for targeting people from all types of income, as they were needs. The next 3 niches I am going to talk about are an added comfort or luxury, so the target people would be upper middle class people and above. If you are with me till now, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get on with the video. The home crafts niche has been going around for quite a while now. As people are staying home, they are trying to find more stuff to entertain themselves. That's where these products come in. They are very easy to source. Have free shipping available in most cases. Fast deliveries are also available. These products have a wow factor and good profit margins. A great example is this art pen. Kids product have a huge market all year round and all over the world. Parents spend a decent amount of money on their children's comfort and amusement. Especially in this current situation, where online classes are going on, children's work equipment are high in demand. They have a huge profit margin. Easy to target on Facebook ads. And as it is a need right now, it's easier to sell. The last niche I wanna talk about is a new one. Electric bicycles. They are starting to gain popularity every day. It also connects the health niche we talked about earlier. They have the most profit margin you can find in a dropshipping product. You can target people who are into outdoor stuff like cycling. It's a high-ticket product, so you don't need to worry about your ad costs at all. So those were the 5 niches in my opinion which have the potential to start a 6-figure dropshipping business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more.